Hi guys. So I have a confession to make. I am a 24-year-old girl and I am an addict. I am addicted to watching e-girl videos on YouTube. I can watch e-girl videos for 24 hours and still not get bored. And if you are also suffering from this particular disease, welcome to my club. I do not know why I'm so obsessed with e-girl aesthetics, but quite frankly, I do not like to admit that in public in front of every other person. Maybe I'm a little embarrassed about it, but yeah. What can I do? You know guys, I do love black clothes, and when I got introduced to this e-girl aesthetics in school like 4 to 5 years back, I was super convinced that this is the person I want to be. Don't laugh, I can hear you laughing through the screen. So I got introduced to this aesthetic from probably Pinterest. I do not remember the source. I was well accustomed to what is their aesthetics and what is their outfit and makeup looks like, but never got the chance to try it for myself, though I always wanted to at least once try that on myself. And I was talking about the time when TikTok was nowhere to be seen and Instagram was coming out bit by bit, so it was that time. But
Part 2, today we are having so many popular aesthetics going on every social media platform, basically, like cottagecore, dark academia, and then some tennis skirt type of a aesthetic, I don't know the name, and of course the ever existing e-girl aesthetics, and with a growing fan base for each kind of aesthetic. And I personally am a super fan of e-girl aesthetics, as well a little bit of dark academia because it has got all the dark elements to it. So I'm basically a black loving, brown loving kind of a person. With all the popular fan groups and everything, I was little happy inside that e-girl aesthetics is growing so much popularity. And then finally 3 days back a video popped up on my YouTube feed. It was a girl who just shared her 2021 e-girl makeup tutorial, and of course I do not have to say that I have watched the entire video and gave her the full watch time. So finally, the dream that I had when I was in school to turn myself into a e-girl, I felt like
the time has arrived.
After that super long intro, in this video I'm going to transform myself into an e-girl, and I'm very excited about it. So let's get started with the video.
1, 2, 3.
So if you are a total stranger to whatever the shit I said in past few minutes, then I have 2 things to say. First, I am pretty much sure you are living under a rock. And second, e-girl aesthetic comprises mainly of lots of black colored clothes layered onto one another. Mesh top is a bonus. A lot of chokers, 9 layers of blush on your face, a very angular wing liner, and a little star or heart on your face. So that sums up the whole e-girl aesthetic, though there are a lot to it, but if you don't know anything, that's all for now. Obviously, I'm going to first do my makeup. So I have already done my base. As you guys can see, there is no dark circles. I have done my brows as well. I have color corrected, concealed, and as well a little bit of contoured myself. So I'm going to start with the blush. First, I'm going to start with Kiss Beauty's shade number 3 liquid blush. This is a very pigmented pink blush, and I'm going to start right from here because I have seen a lot of e-girls have their blushes right from here. So let me just do it from here. This is very pigmented. I don't know how this will turn out though. I'm really excited, and also I'm quite scared because I really want it to turn good. I don't know. This blush dries out quickly maybe. Oh, I need to do it first because this dries out quickly. Bringing it to my eyes. Also, I've seen a lot of e-girl transformation video before doing this one, and most importantly, I have watched Doja Cat's e-girl transformation video, which was beautiful, by the way. I love watching such videos. Look at this blush. This is so good. Oh my god, I literally can see me turning into an e-girl. Look at my face. Why I look so happy doing such silly things. I do not know why. Why this gives me so much of joy. This is too pigmented, but yeah. So I think that is it for the liquid blush. Now I'm going to put on a powder blush to set this liquid blush. So the powder blush that I'm using is Wet n Wild's pearlescent pink blush, and this is the Cups and Lashes setting brush number F014. So I'm going to press it right here This is also pigmented. Oh, this looks so pretty. Look how my nose looks. A little bit here. Also, I saw Doja Cat putting blush over here, so I'm going to do that. So now I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer, a little bit, on my eyes, eye crease basically, so that the eye socket looks good. Can you see there's some dimension to my eyes? I think I've put a little bit more blush on my left side than my right side. So I think I'm going to even things out. A little bit more blush here and maybe a little bit here. So now it's time for the most exciting part of this transformation, that is the typical eyeliner. So for that eyeliner, I thought I'm going to use that Lakme eyeliner, that is my OG eyeliner for every purpose. But then I thought let's not do that, because I am going to use this one. This is a Kafsan Lashes yellow palette. This is a body paint palette, and I am using a basically art brush. Now this eyeliner is very pointed and angular, but there is also a fundamental difference between the Bella Hadid kind of liner and this e-girl liner. Foxy Bella Hadid kind of liner has kind of lifted effect. This eyeliner has kind of droopy effect. Generally what everybody does for eyeliner is they stretch this lower lash line upward to make a wing, but I'm going to do something else here. So to start with the liner, I'm going to start from the lower lash line. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to join this with the... This is pretty hard to do on camera. So basically this is how the liner looks. Now I'm going to do this side. So since I've put body pen, so I'm going to set my liner. That is why I put a lot of setting powder on my eyes. So this is the 50% of the eyeliner. So now I'm going to take a normal kohl and cover all the parts which is left. Ooh, this is very intimidating. Oh god, I look like a very different person. Last part of this liner is, this is the main thing. The liner is the main thing. So the last part of the liner is I'm going to draw my lower lash line. Yes guys, this is the most exciting part. Like this. Don't you think this looks cute? Ooh, I love it. My face just changed. Oh my god. Though I'm not complaining, I really like it. Ooh. So I guess I'm going to put a little bit more contour on my face because there is a lot of blush. I don't know, I need to put a little bit more. I could literally see myself as a e-girl. This is crazy. This is a liquid highlighter from, I guess, Stay Quirky. Yes, Stay Quirky. I got this like 1 year back. So I'm going to put this highlighter over my lid space just to make things look a little bit more. This is a pink highlighter, by the way. I'm going to put this to make it look glossy right here. Nope, this is a bad idea. So to do the damage control, I'm going to put this blush. This is a mascara blush in the shade 0250. This is a very pretty blush. This is the eyeshadow. Sorry guys. So this is the eyeshadow. Very pretty pink eyeshadow. Ooh, this looks better. Can you see that glow? That is because of the highlighter. By the way, most of the thing that I'm doing today is with my hands and fingers. So if you guys want to try it out, play with makeup, have fun with it, you can also do it. There's no need to indulge in a lot of brushes. Stunning. Whatever that is left in my contouring brush or bronzer brush, I'm going to slightly go through this region because I feel the crease contouring has just gone. So I'm redoing it a little bit just to emphasize the whole thing. Ooh, I think I'm going to put a little bit more blush on my nose because I don't know, I just feel like it. Also, this aesthetic is a part of making your nose look like a Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Can't sing the song because of copyright issues. A little bit of this highlighter to dot it out here. Everything is pink now. Since I am going extra, so why not put a pink highlighter? This is showing but very subtle. The nose looks so beautiful. And also my eyes. Oh my god. Now I'm going to put a very dark color, chocolate liquid lipstick. I don't know if I still have something inside it. I'm scraping out this lipstick. I have used a hell lot of this mini lipstick. This is from Nykaa Chai. So this is a very beautiful color. I don't think I have much. Yeah, I literally do not have. This is also a very, very dark chocolate color. This is the Maybelline's liquid lipstick in the shade Belgium Brown B43. So this aesthetic also comprises of very dark color lipstick. Mainly I've seen girls wearing black lipstick with this eyeliner look, and it looks killer, but I do not have black lipstick. I still haven't gone to that far extent. So I'm going to use a brown lipstick. And from the beginning I used to love black clothes so much. That is maybe one of the reasons I am so addicted to this aesthetics, because I feel there is not much thing that is there in these aesthetics that I could hate mainly. So I went ahead and parted in the middle, because all e-girls have a middle partition hair, or they have kind of a bob hair, which I do not have, but still it's okay. Kind of I have purple hair, which also supports the whole aesthetic. Though I'm going to do a heart over here, which is the OG thing of being a e-girl. So I'm talking about hair, I should also mention this. I was this close to buying a hair extension which is hot pink color from Amazon. Then I just skipped it because I do not know when Amazon will deliver that thing, and I was kind of in a rush to film this video for this week. And also my inner self advised me that why to waste 500 rupees for an extension that you might probably never use for your entire life. So why would you buy that? Now I'm going to do the most crucial part, which is doing a heart. I'm using a Lakme eyeliner, and I have to be very, very focused because I do not want to mess things up and redo the whole thing. Oh my goodness. Why this gives me so much of happiness. I almost look like an e-girl. Also, I have outfit to change. What, you guys thought that this is the whole look? No, I'm going to change my outfit. Probably put on some black clothes. I know I do not have those e-girl crop tops and mesh like things, though I'm going to wear a basic black tee and load my neck with all of the necklaces that I've got. So yeah, let's do that and get back to you guys. I look like a different person. Oh my god. This is a very simple black choker I had for a really long time. Also, I had a lot of necklaces, but they were all golden, which are not something e-girl wears. And also, to be very honest, these are not the correct nail polish colors, but never mind. So we are going to improvise. Apart from everything that I didn't do, I still look like a different person, and I'm loving it. Fun to try once in a while this stupid thing. I don't know if you guys enjoyed this video or not, but I had a blast filming it and transforming myself to a e-girl. Maybe should I do a reels of this look? Yeah, I should definitely do a reels of this look. Let me do a reels. There is basically a typical pose that every girl does in their photos. They always kind of have their tongues out. I do not know why, and I do not know what they depict basically, but they look so cool and hot at the same time. I don't know how they could do that. So let me try to pose like that. I also have a kind of signature pose where I also pose with my tongue out, and it's basically like which is also kind of same, but I have to remove this part. So one more thing that they have that I would never do, that is they have septum piercing, and that is one thing I have kind of for sure thought about not doing it. So yes, let me make a reels, and if I'm able to post that reel in this video, will I be able to do that reel? No, I cannot add that reel. I'll get copyright claims or something like that. So if you want to watch that reel that I'm going to do, please go to my Instagram and follow my Instagram at this. I'll probably put the link of that reel maybe in the description box. Yeah, this is the whole look. I am super happy with this one. I am for sure going to try out all other aesthetics because it's kind of fun. Yeah, I love it. I really love it. This just increases your self-confidence to some other level, and I was having a low day yesterday, not today, but look how I'm feeling now. This is great. So on that note, I am going to end this video. Look at my energy right now and go back to the starting of this video. See how my energy has escalated. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this video right now. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, like, share, comment, hit subscribe. Please subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, be happy and bye.
Луна нас сближает каждый день, но прикоснуться не могу, от этого мне больней, больней. Схватив я от тебя, не отдам.